Yeah, this electric anti-mite mattress brush complete my Roidmi F8 Storm handheld cordless vacuum cleaner. Besides usual daily cleaning, I can use Roidmi F8 to clean all the mattresses in the house as well. No need to buy a dedicated mattress cleaner. Roidmi F8 with electric anti-mite brush will do the job just fine. Even better maybe, Roidmi mattress brush adopts flexible nylon brush and rubber strap for slapping and sweeping. The independent built-in motor drive rapidly roll away all the mites, bacteria, hair, dander, and so on, able to clean mites up to 99% efficient and practical. Alright, let's start cleaning. This electric anti-mite mattress works great on mattress. I use it to clean pillow too. Can be used on fabric sofa as well. Cleaning will take some time due to small in size, but that's okay as you don't need to clean mattress every day. How's the result? You won't like it. I mean the dirty stuff that dust and mites. Yes, this is what you sleep with every night. Be sure to get yourself a Roidmi F8 Storm as soon as possible and enjoy a better life and health. That's all. Roidmi mattress brush does a great job, no doubt. Do use below link to buy one and thumb up to support me. Thanks. And I will see you soon. Peace.